About a week ago, 10 days ago, I was just driving up from Mysore to Nilgiris, up the mountain. These mountains right from my childhood, I've driven up. From bicycle to motorcycle to car, I've been driving on this road and I always loved these mountains. This time when I was driving, all the huge wonderful rocks that are there are all painted in huge, bad handwriting. I love Jesus everywhere. I thought, who is this man who loves Jesus? It's always easy to love people that you have not met. Isn't it? We always love dead people. When your grandfather was at home, you were not on talking terms with him. The moment he is dead, his photograph hangs, adorns your house every day. Your gratitude that he's dead, We always love the dead. From where did you get to love a man who was 2000 years ago? When you can't turn around and say hello to the man who's standing next to you, when you can't smile at the man who is walking on the street. From where did you get to love a man who is 2000 years ago? It's so easy to love him because he's not here. But this person who is next to you is here and he's so much trouble. Jesus himself never told you, you love me. He said, love thy neighbor, isn't it? Because that's the most difficult thing. To love the person who is next to you is the biggest challenge right now, isn't it? To love somebody who is not here is always very easy.